How to fix screen rotation not working in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, restart device, press and hold volume up and power button same time. Now here you will see two option, power up or reboot. And if you want to restart device, then this icon swipe down. After swipe down this icon, restart device. Now go back. After that, factory reset, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on about phone, scroll down, click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, contact, photo and video, apps, accounts, backup, SD card data will be erased or delete from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn on auto rotation, open setting. Now in setting, click on search bar, search auto rotation. Now click on auto rotate screen and turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on auto rotation from your phone. This is how you can fix screen rotation not working in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.